Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install 1Password for password manager security on iPhone step by step clearly.
Open the App Store on your iPhone.
In the App Store, tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner.
Type 1Password into the search bar and press search. Locate the 1Password app in the search results. Tap on the Get button next to the app to download it.
Once the app finishes downloading, tap Open to launch 1Password.
You will be greeted with a welcome screen. Tap on Get Started to begin the setup process. If you already have an account, select Sign In.
For new users, tap on Create Account.
Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your. You'll need to create a master password for securing your data. Choose a strong master password that you can remember. Next, you'll be asked to set up your account's secret key. This key adds an extra layer of security. Make sure to write this down and keep it safe. After setting up your master password and secret key, tap Continue. The app will then guide you through setting up your vault. You can start adding your passwords and secure notes here. Next, enable Touch ID or Face ID for easy access. This will allow you to unlock 1Password quickly and securely. Follow the prompts to set up biometric unlocking. Once that's done, you'll see your 1Password dashboard. Take a moment to explore the interface. Now you can start importing passwords from your other managers, if applicable. Tap on the Settings tab at the bottom right to customize options. You can manage settings for security, notifications, and more. When you're ready, return to your dashboard. 1Password is now set up and ready for use. Feel free to explore additional features like password sharing, security audits, and more. Your passwords are now secured with 1Password on your iPhone. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.